Hey guys, Alex here from Black and Yellow Pavement. We're out here at Waterloo Technology Campus, 410 Albert Street in Waterloo. Over 250,000 square feet of asphalt to work with out here. We're gonna be doing some crack sealing on this lot. We're gonna apply 2 heavy coats of our Slurry seal coat. And we're gonna freshly paint all the lines. Let's see how we do. That's a wrap, Waterloo. Out here at Waterloo Technology Campus. Our last project of the year is finally in the books. Hey, 2022 is fast approaching and our season's filling up very quickly. So if you guys are looking to seal coat your parking lot as well, make sure you get in touch with us and we can get you guys set up too.